As Iowa's #1 authorized Janome retailer, here at Mended Hearts Quilting and Boutique, we have expanded our store not only to showcase the wide variety of high-quality Janome sewing machines we have in stock, but to allow you to see them for yourself. Whether it's your first stitch or your 100th quilt, we have the perfect machine to turn your vision into reality. We've cultivated this space to give you the freedom to experience our line of machines at your own pace. Regardless of your budget, we're confident that we can provide you with the solution to take your quilting journey to the next level. We don't just stop there. We have all the parts and accessories you need to keep your machine running and to keep you stitching. We understand it can be challenging to pick the right machine for you. Our professional staff is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have to ensure you're comfortable with your decision. At Mended Hearts Quilting and Boutique, your family. And with our new effortless checkout process, you'll be the proud owner of a Janome sewing machine, as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our level of Janome expertise, combined with our goal for sustaining positive customer satisfaction, emphasizes our commitment to long-lasting relationships. Every Janome sewing machine comes with a limited 25-year warranty. And to show our appreciation, we provide you with your first annual cleaning free of charge. If your machine ever needs a repair or service, no problem. Our certified on-site technician is available at your convenience, so you can get back to doing what you love in no time. Give us a call, send us an email, or visit us today to find your perfect Janome sewing machine.